In the letter to the Speaker Anita Among dated October 31st, Museveni said he appointed Justices Christopher Madrama Inzama, Stephen Musota and Elizabeth Musoke to the Supreme Court. The three have been serving the Court of Appeal. John Oscar Kahika, a legal director at the ruling National Resistance Movement, has been appointed Judge of Court of Appeal. Kahika has represented President Museveni in several electoral petitions and is a partner at the private law firm. Madrama studied law at Makerere University, served 8 years at the Commercial Court until 2018 when he was promoted to Court of Appeal. In 1990, he worked as State Attorney in the Uganda Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, working in the capacity until 1999. He was then elevated to Principal State Attorney. In 1999, he left the Justice Ministry and joined the Law Development Center as a senior legal officer. From 2001 until 2010, Christopher Madrama was a principal legal associate at Kitanda Sempewa and Company Advocates. This was his last job in the private sector prior to joining the bench. Elizabeth Musoke is a Ugandan justice to the Court of Appeal of Uganda since September 2005. She earned Bachelor's of Laws degree from Makerere University and also obtained a diploma in legal practice from Law Development Center. She worked with the Ministry of Justice and left at the rank of Principal State Attorney to join the Inspectorate of Government as Directorate Legal Affairs in 1999. In July 2013, she was appointed to serve as Judge of the High Court of Uganda, assigned to Civil Division, serving in that capacity until October 2015 when she was elevated to Court of Appeal. Stephen Musoke, a Ugandan lawyer and a judge on the Court of Appeal, was appointed to Court of Appeal in 2018, studied law at Makerere University. In 1984, he was appointed as Magistrate Grade 1, rising to the level of Senior Principal Magistrate Grade 1 in 1992. He went on to work as Chief Magistrate, then as Deputy Registrar and then Registrar of High Court later in 2000. He was promoted to the position of Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, serving in that capacity until 2004. He was appointed to the bench as a member of the High Court of Appeal. In 2004, he was appointed to the bench as a member of High Court of Uganda. President Museveni in May this year appointed in acting capacity 16 judges of the High Court into the Judiciary Service to help clearing the case backlog in Ugandan courts. The Supreme Court in Uganda is the highest judicial organ in Uganda. It derives its powers from the Article 130 of the 1995 Constitution. It is constituted by the Chief Justice, who is appointed by the President. Anslem, Ojaru, live at 8.